can boil them, you can steam them, you can grate them, you can cook them down and smash them. I was so excited this morning about doing this segment with you, in particular talking about winter radishes and Jerusalem artichokes. They're so versatile. I think that we kind of fall asleep when we think about the vegetables in our region. Seasonal sensitivity is so critical.
You know, I don't think people in America especially are really familiar with sunchokes or Jerusalem artichokes. They just don't deal with them a lot. School them.
Yeah, you know, I think that we're more familiar with it than we even know. In the 40s, if you were caught with those growing on your farm, you would be fined because it was considered an invasive species of weeds. And now we grow them, and they're one of the best in the wintertime, and they hold forever. I mean, you know, they're so versatile because you can eat these raw. I get kind of a chestnut flavor to them. And, you know, you can take and use and shave them off and put them on a salad.
Point. I never thought about that. It does taste like a chestnut. You're right.
It does. You get the watery texture. It's different from a potato in that you can eat it raw. Where a potato, you can't eat raw. You can, but it's not very good. But this is versatile. You can eat it raw, but also, and Jamie did something kind of special this morning. They're just so full of natural sugar. This is cooked 10 to 15 minutes, smash it down, and actually there's no breading at all on this. These are insane. If people would have known how to do this before the Super Bowl, they would have been buying these instead of chicken wings. They're absolutely amazing. A little bit of yogurt and some pepper in there.
Yeah, it's like a Jerusalem artichoke latke.
Just so versatile. And I think that, you know, you can't take the book with you to the grocery store, but you've walked by those and you've seen them and you've wondered what in the heck these gnarly little things are. And they're just really, really
They're delicious
special.
is what they are. They're delicious. That's what they are.
You can boil them, you can steam them, you can grate them, you can cook them down and smash them. Oh, seasonal sensitivity is so critical. And I love to be able to use the watermelon radishes and the winter radishes. What makes a winter radish different than like that radish that we plant in the spring? The cells are much more compact. It takes 3 to 4 months to grow these. And we plant them in June, and then we won't harvest them until one of the last things in the season, October, November. And they're really, really compact. They've got the ninja radish and the watermelon radish, the lime radish, the black
watermelon.
radish.
I love it. It's so pretty. And it really looks like watermelon. And they're so gorgeous. And they last for months, you guys. If you just keep these cold. Lee and I were talking about this last time we saw each other. Look at that.
You know, you can cook these, you can braise them, you can boil them, you can bake them. But my absolute favorite is to be able to just cut these really thin. I mean, really thin, and then soak them in some water. And I love to just be able, it's so simple. Cut these, all the different varieties, and actually soak them in a little bit of lemon juice for about an hour. I call it a quick pickle of radishes. And a little bit of sea salt on them. They're great just to sit and munch beside your chair at night. They're
like
delicious.
Healthy potato chips, but they're so much more vibrant.
Exactly. And the beautiful thing is that any of these vegetables that we can eat raw rather than cooked, you're getting 50% more nutritional value.
Again, the Chef's Garden, this is a book that you can live with and pass on to family members and share with them. It is one of my guides in life. It really is. I absolutely love it.